Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Leviathan's Rage mutation in Fish 8 game on Roblox new Crystal Depths update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Crystal Depths update has been released in Fish 8 game, and finally we'll be able to get the Leviathan's Rage mutation from this update. Okay, as you can see right here in the update log, there are two mutations that we can get from this update. The first one is the Leviathan's Rage, and the second one is the crystallized mutation. Okay, and we will need the Leviathan's Rage mutation to complete the Black Pearl quest. Before this update, if you want to get the Leviathan's Rage mutation, we need to join the Leviathan's event. But in this update, we can get the Leviathan's Rage mutation without the event. So what you need to do is fishing in the Crystal Depths location. And this is the new location from this update. You can fish anywhere and you will have chance to get the Leviathan's Rage mutation. Okay, just do fishing here guys. Okay guys, and that's all about the Leviathan's Rage mutation in Fish 8 game on Roblox new Crystal Depths update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.